maligo tayo.
Ikaw sa maraming tao eh.
O, maya-maya. Swaying room as the music starts, strangers making the most of the dark. Two by two their bodies become one.
Bigat ka lang kayo na agagam nila.
I see you through the smoky air. Can you feel the way of my stare? You're so close but still a world away. What I'm dying to say is that I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's so brand new. You feel it in my kiss. I'm crazy for you. Trying hard to control my heart, I walk over to where you are. I will need no word at all. Slowly now we begin to move. Every breath I'm deeper into you. Soon we two are standing still in time. If you read my mind, you'll see I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you'll know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's so brand new. You feel it in my kiss. I'm crazy for you.
Ay, pasa naman.
Oo nga, sabihin mo na. Dahil sasabihin ko sa HR na hindi ako ang nagpirma niya na sabihan mo siya. Wala siyang karapatang magpirma niya.
Hindi kasi, naghanap si Ate Lee ng evaluation, no? Sabi ko, ay Ate Lee, andyan na ba yung sa akin? Sabi niya, tapos